Hi everyone, I'm Lee Ballard and this is Crossaxle. What is Crossaxle? Who are we and what do we do? Well, if it's got wheels, we're interested. Be it new cars, old cars, four-wheel drives, trucks, bikes, you name it, we want to have a go on it. We want to review it, test it, play with it, look at modifications, look at how it handles, new things on the market, old things on the market. If it moves, we're interested. If you've got something special that you think could be featured in one of our videos, give us a shout. We're up for pretty much anything really. Join us on this ride. We're going to have some fun test drives. We're going to look at accessories. We're going to look at things that might make life interesting for you. You name it, we'll be there. So, if you've followed Crossaxle through Instagram or Facebook over the years, you may have seen there's been one or two staff changes along the way as we've been finding our footing. But now we're relaunching. We're going to have a brand new logo coming very soon. Keep an eye out for that and the merch that accompanies it. And I'd like to introduce to you my very good friend and partner in Crossaxle, Mr. Richard Rowlinson. Hey Rich.
Nice one.
So Richard's joined us. He's a graphic designer and photographer like me. He's passionate about cars, bikes. He's always posting images of bikes he wants to own, trucks he wants to own, what he wants to do. So welcome to the team, Richard. And I look forward to some of the exciting things we're going to be doing together.
Yes, I apologise now.
So, Richard, as a new member of the team, I hope you brought us something to play with today.
You didn't tell me that.
Well, just go find something.
I'll see what I can nick.
I like that.
How about this?
That'll do.